Hi friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, UA Tech. So let's started the video. Gizmakina OPPO Reno 8, Reno 8 Pro, Reno 8 Pro and renders, configurations emerge before launch. The OPPO Reno 8 lineup is scheduled to debut on May 23 in China. A week before its launch, the Reno 8 series of smartphones is now available for pre-order through multiple channels such as OPPO China's website, Jingdong Mall, and Suning. These listings carry the official renders of the Reno 8, Reno 8 Pro, and Reno 8 Pro Plus. The OPPO Reno 8 series renders show that these phones sport a similar rear design. The screen of the Reno 8 has a punch hole at the upper left corner and a noticeable chin. The Reno 8 Pro sports the same display design but is equipped with a slimmer chin. The punch hole is located at the top center of the Reno 8 Pro Plus. Moving to the rear, all three smartphones can be seen sporting a similar design. The spacing between the cameras and the size of the camera island goes on increasing from the Reno 8 to the Reno 8 Pro Plus. The images also reveal that the Reno 8 Pro and Pro End may come equipped with the Mari Silicon X chipset. The Reno 8 and Reno 8 Pro will come in three colors: slightly drunk, machine translated, clear sky blue, and night tour black. Both phones are available in 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage configurations. On the other hand, the Reno 8 Pro End is listed in Xiaoaoking, roaming gray, and undercurrent colorways. It will come in three configurations, such as 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, and 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage. OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus. These listings have no information on the other specs of the Reno 8 Trio. Reports have revealed that the Reno 8, 8 Pro, and 8 Pro End will feature the Dimensity 1300, Snapdragon 7 Gen 1, and Dimensity 8100 chipset, respectively. Thanks for the watching. Tada. Bibi.